Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add rectangle shape in Clipchamp. If you want to add the rectangle kind of shapes on your videos using Clipchamp, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit. To add the rectangle shape, here you can find the option of overlay, tap on it. Then scroll to your right and here you can find the option of photos, now tap on it. Then here you can find the search button, tap on it and type rectangle and search for it. Now from here you can find the rectangle shape to add on your video. Simply choose one and tap on to next. Now here you can find the rectangle shape has been added to your video. Now edit the rectangle shape and as well as the video. And that's it. This is how you can add the rectangle shape on your videos using Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.